Hello everyone, this is Divyanshu Tripathi. Welcome in Stadium Web Browser Automation course. Today we are going to learn about the action classes. Mostly action classes is used to handle your mouse movement, your keyboard related events, any event you can handle using the action classes. So in WebDriver handling keyboard event and mouse event, whether you can include your such like a drag and drop, you have to perform right click, you have to perform left click, such type of operation you can handle using the action classes. Action classes contain the actions and action classes which are need to perform these events. In order to perform action events, we need to use org.openqa.selenium.interaction.action classes. So there's a lot of events available in action classes like click and hold, context click. Context click is basically used for the right click. Double click for performing the double click, you can use the double click. Drag and drop, you can move, offset, move the element and release. These are two methods. One is a build and another is a perform. That is a very useful method. When you are going to use the action classes, then you have to use build and perform. So now in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to perform drag and drop actions. So let's see, we move on practical part. I have created here one package keyboard action. Inside there, I am going to create one class that is known as drag and drop. Now we can see first how to perform the drag and drop operations in manually. Then we will move on coding part. This is the website. Here we have to perform drag and drop operations. Suppose that I am just selecting the bank options here and just drag and drop here in account. You can see your bank option is added in account. So how we are going to perform these actions? First, we have to create the action class. After creating the actions, this is the object of action classes. In action object, we can get multiple methods. First method is the click and hold. Second method, we have to use moveToElement. Then third is build, release, build and perform. So when we use click and hold, we have to pass here address of source. Address of source means like here this the bank is our source. Next, moveToElement, that is destination. Till here we have to pass, means we have to drag this and drop here in the account section, that is the destination address of this event. Let's move on practical part. First of all, here we have to create our web driver manager so that we can launch our Chrome driver dot setup. Then we can create our web driver manager driver. So using this, we can launch our Chrome driver. Now we can maximize our window. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. These are very common code for everything. Now we have to launch our website. Then we have to write a code driver.get. Driver.get, inside you have to pass the URL. So what is the URL? I'm just copying from here and paste it here. So it will launch this page. Now we have to create here two web elements. So web elements. Why we are creating the web element? Because we have to create one source address and one destination. Source equal to, how to find the address of source? Right click bank, inspect, then you can see here. This is the bank. I'm just right click copy of moving here. Driver dot find element y dot x1 because I am selecting there as x1. So it is our source. Now same way we can create destination address. I'm going to create one another web element that is destination equal to element. Now we have to find the x bar. So we have a drop here. Right click, copy of x bar. Simply paste here. So we have achieved our source and destination area. This is the source and this is the destination. Now we have to create our action classes. Here you can see action org.openqa.interaction action and to that. Similar way you have to create like this. Actions action equal to new action, you have to pass the driver object new action then here the web driver. Using the object of action that is add dot click and hold. So here you can view click and hold method. Inside there you have to pass the target web element target. So from here we have to select source. Now dot move to element. Move to element means you have to perform your till destination. Then you have to use release method here. Dot build dot perform. So code is completed. Let's execute this code and check the output. I'm just executing this code and it is launching the Chrome driver. After Chrome driver, it will open you this path, this website. Then it will create a web element. So it is launching the browser. Maximize the window. Then you can see bank is drag and drop operation perform, but it will perform very quickly. So let's move here, adding a thread dot select so that you can easily view how to perform this action. So in our thread dot select, we can pass time in second, but here we have to pass in millisecond. That is a 5000 millisecond. You can add action. Now I'm going to again executing this code. So this time you can view how it is performed. So normally it is going to open the Chrome browser, maximize it. After opening this page, you can see here after 5 seconds, bank option drop in a account. Bank option is dropped in a bank account. In next video, we will learn about how to perform right click, how to perform the double click and other things. So, thanks for watching this video.